So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about our wave storage API. So what is wave storage? So wave storage is a wave when your web application can store the data locally within the user's browser. That is called our wave storage. So wave storage is more secure and large amounts of data can be stored locally without affecting your website performance. So now let's move forward to there are two types of web storage objects here, okay, that can store the data for the client. First is local storage and second is session storage. So local storage can have no expiration date. Let's see, open our live server. As you can see, I open my website here, okay. If I write down anything here and my name, click count or anything here, then it's gonna store in our web storage. So even if I close the tab here, then I open my browser, then it's still gonna show our which storage we write in previous, okay. So that is why we use our local storage. And our second point is session storage. So session storage store data for one section, okay. As you can see, which I write here as just assume it I write here webItem. Then I close it tab, then reopen my browser, then it's not gonna show our data here. Once you close the tab or close your uh, Chrome here, then it's not gonna show our data. So now let's move forward to let's check our browser support by our local storage. So for that, let's write here div tag here. We are gonna write then ID, give them I give them AID, then close. Now let's move forward to our if. Let's first write here script tab, then let's just clear it. Just write again if type of storage, as you can see. So why I write this, because this can store our data, that's why we write here type of storage, okay. And I'm gonna undefine it here, okay. We are gonna write here undefined. We are not gonna select it right now, that's why. Then let's write down our local storage here, okay. Local storage dot set item. As you can see, it can retrieve the data here, that's why I write here. So we are gonna take as, let's write down here first name for our understanding, and I write down here in double quotation webItem, then semicolon, then let's write down here document dot get element by ID. We are gonna give our ID is A, and dot inner HTML equals to local storage, okay. Local storage dot get item, which we writing here, as you can see. So it can store the data here and show in our output. That's why we write here inner HTML for text. So now let's move forward to here our class first name, then semicolon, then our else condition. We are gonna write here document dot get element by ID dot inner HTML. Give our capital A class ID and inner HTML for our text. We are gonna write here your browser does not support. Then semicolon, okay. So this is our end here. Let's see. I didn't close it here. Yeah. Then save. As you can see, VB tag is here, so my browser is supported. If your browser doesn't show here, then it's gonna show this error. Our browser does not support. So now let's move forward to our which we can, as you can see, let's take this example as you can see, I close it here, then I reopen it, still gonna show here our webtech because let's take as an example our count here so we can easily understand. It's gonna always show like webtech because we write here webtech, but if we write here count, then it's gonna show different count here. Whichever count you click, then it's gonna show. So now let's move forward to, wait a second, my mouse is not working. I don't know. And let's, my mouse is not working. Sorry guys, don't worry. Yeah. Now let's see our, we are gonna use our first local storage object. This is our basic local storage. We take example of it. Now let's move forward to our hard one. Okay, so let's just clear it right now. It don't need it right now. And let's write here script type. We are gonna write in our head section. So let's write here our function. I use as a counter here. If you want to write anything else, then you can write it. Then our curly brackets open. Then our, if we write in previous example, type of storage. Then this is our storage. Then equals to undefined. Then bracket close. Then yeah. Why I write second time, because you can understand. If I write here in copy paste, then it's gonna difficult. That's why I write here new one. Then let's write here click count. Okay. Yeah, because we are gonna, whichever you count here, click, that's is gonna count here. That's why I write here local storage dot click count. Then as you can see, now let's move forward to our local storage dot click count equals to number, because it's gonna show in number. That's why. Now let's write here local storage dot click count. Okay, as you can see, we use here click count, then number plus 1. It's gonna start with plus 1. Okay, that's why I write here plus 1. Now let's move forward to else here. Then I write down local dot storage click count equals to 1. Okay, and our tag is closed here. Now let's move forward to our document dot get element by id. Okay, let's write here our id capital A, then our inner html. So let's just first write here our div tag, then our id capital A, then let's just create a button here. Okay, for our button, click here, then on click we are going to take as on click here. We are going to write here our function counter we use, then write down here type button. So this is our basic button, then close. Let's save it. Okay, now let's write here also, which I told in theory. So close tab, and try again, the counter will continue count. So let's save it. Let's see our output is remaining here or code here. As you can see, when you close tab, it's still gonna show the same count. We didn't write anything here, that's why it didn't show it here. So let's write our code. So as you can see, I take is a inner HTML, then equals to, let's write down here, you clicked button, then our plus sign, local storage. We use our click count here. Okay, click count, once again plus sign, then equals to time, then here is close. Now let's move forward to our else condition. Okay, you're gonna take this, and else condition is document dot get element by id. Id is a, then dot inner html equals to your browser does not support. Okay, so this is our, let's see our output. Okay guys, wait a second, let's see my mouse is working or not. It's still not working. Yeah, it's working now. As you can see, I clicked in too many short times here, that's why it's showing like this. As you can see, this is our 23. So let's once again, as you can see, my time is 24, 25, 26. As you can see, close tab and try again, the counter will continue count. Okay, as you can see, our count is 26 here, so let's make it 29 here, then close. Let's reopen our browser here, then once again we click here, then it's gonna show our 30 number. As you can see, it's gonna show 30 here. So that's why we use here local storage, store the data over whichever content we write or countdown or anything. As you can see, let's once again see that. So yeah, as you can see, 32. So that is how is our local storage object is work here. Now let's move forward to our session storage object. Okay, for that you just need to write here session storage. You just need to change like this, session storage, then also here, then save. You just need to do like this, and also here, wherever you can see our local storage, just need to change that session storage. Now refresh it. As you can see, it's 1 right now, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then let's just close this tab and reopen it. Then it's gonna start with a new count. Okay, as you can see, it start with a new count. Let's see once again. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, so session storage does not store data. When you close the tab or close the entire window here, then it's not gonna show. Let's see once again. As you can see, it's recounted once again. And if you write local storage, let's just control Z here, then let's save. And if you write, as you can see, is our continue 40 here. In previous we use our, as you can see, 41. Let's once again write here session storage. So you can easily understand the difference between. Okay, then save. As you can see, it's different right now. Session storage we use as a 7, but we didn't close tab here. So that's the difference between session and our first one is local storage. As you can see, once I close here, then it's gonna start with our first. Okay, let's see. As you can see, so that is the difference between our local storage and our session storage. Sorry, then refresh it. Let's see. Yeah, it didn't. Yeah, now it's work. As you can see, it's returned to our position. So that is how our web storage API work here, and there's two objects, local storage and session storage. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and write down your email ID for the source code. Okay. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.